Guys, what if I told you that the reason you're tossing and turning at night, waking up exhausted and dealing with, let's call them, performance issues in the morning, all comes down to one mineral you're probably not getting enough of? And what if fixing this could be as simple as taking something before bed that costs less than your daily coffee? I'm Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and after years of working with men over 50, I've noticed something that keeps coming up. Guys come in complaining about different things: poor sleep, low energy, weaker erections. But when we dig deeper, there's often one common denominator they're all missing. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, why taking it at night makes all the difference, and how to use it properly to feel like yourself again. Now, before you click away thinking this is another miracle cure video, stick with me. This isn't some exotic supplement from the Amazon rainforest. It's something your body desperately needs and probably isn't getting enough of, especially if you're over 50. And the research on this is so solid that even skeptical doctors recommend it. The mineral I'm talking about is magnesium. Now, I know what you're thinking. Magnesium, that's it. But hear me out, because this isn't just some random mineral. Magnesium is involved in over 300 enzyme reactions in your body. It's like the oil in your car's engine. Without enough of it, everything starts grinding and breaking down. Here's the problem. About 70% of men over 50 are deficient in magnesium. And I'm not talking slightly low, I'm talking significantly deficient. Why? Well, our soil is depleted compared to 50 years ago, so food has less magnesium. We're stressed more, which burns through magnesium faster. Many medications, especially blood pressure meds and antacids, deplete magnesium. And as we age, we simply don't absorb it as well from food. The symptoms of magnesium deficiency read like a checklist of what guys over 50 complain about. Muscle cramps and tightness, check. Trouble falling asleep or staying asleep, check. Low energy and fatigue, check. Weaker erections, check. Anxiety or feeling on edge, check. It's actually kind of shocking when you see it all laid out. But here's what makes magnesium special. It's not just fixing one problem. It's literally helping your body function better at a fundamental level. Think of it like upgrading your operating system instead of just patching individual programs. Let me explain what magnesium actually does in your body. Because once you understand this, everything else makes sense. First, magnesium is essential for your body to produce and use testosterone. Without enough magnesium, the enzymes that create testosterone literally can't function properly. It's like trying to bake bread without yeast. You can have all the other ingredients, but nothing's going to rise. Studies show that men who supplement with magnesium see testosterone increases of up to 20%. That's not a typo, 20%. And we're not talking about adding external testosterone. We're talking about your body making more of its own naturally. But magnesium does something else crucial for erections. It helps produce nitric oxide. You've heard of Viagra, right? It works by affecting nitric oxide pathways. Well, magnesium helps your body produce nitric oxide naturally. More nitric oxide means blood vessels relax and dilate more easily, which means better blood flow where you need it, when you need it. Now, let's talk about sleep, because this is where taking magnesium at night becomes genius. Magnesium activates your parasympathetic nervous system. That's your rest and digest system. It literally tells your body it's time to calm down and repair. It binds to GABA receptors in your brain. GABA is your brain's main calming neurotransmitter. It's like nature's Valium, but without the side effects or dependency issues. When you take magnesium before bed, you're essentially giving your body permission to fully relax. Your muscles release tension, your mind stops racing, and you can actually fall into that deep restorative sleep your body craves. And here's the beautiful part. Testosterone production peaks during deep sleep, specifically between 10:00 p.m. and 2:00 a.m. So, by improving your sleep with magnesium, you're also optimizing your hormone production. Here's something that blew my mind when I first learned it. Magnesium is required for your cells to produce ATP, which is literally your cellular energy currency. Every cell in your body needs magnesium to create energy. Without enough magnesium, it's like your cellular power plants are running at half capacity. This is why guys who start taking magnesium often report feeling more energetic within just a few days. It's not a stimulant effect like caffeine. It's your cells actually being able to produce energy properly again. One patient told me it was like someone finally changed his batteries after years of running on low power. And this energy boost isn't just about feeling less tired. When you have more cellular energy, everything works better. Your muscles recover faster after exercise, your brain fog lifts, your motivation improves. Even your mood gets better because your brain has the energy it needs to produce feel-good neurotransmitters. The timing of taking magnesium at night might seem counterintuitive if it gives you energy. But here's the thing. It's not stimulating energy. It's efficient energy. During the day, your cells use that efficiency for activity. At night, they use it for repair and restoration. It's like giving your body the tools it needs to do whatever job is at hand. Now, not all magnesium is created equal, and this is where a lot of guys mess up. They grab some cheap magnesium oxide from the drugstore and wonder why all they get is diarrhea. Let me save you that trouble. For sleep and hormone support, you want either magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate. Glycinate is my top choice because it's highly absorbable and least likely to cause digestive issues. The glycine it's bound to is actually calming on its own, so you get a double benefit. Citrate works well too and is a bit cheaper, but it can have a mild laxative effect for some people. The dose matters too. Most guys do well with 400 to 500 mg taken about an hour before bed. Start with 200 mg for the first few nights to let your body adjust, then work up. Taking it with a small snack helps absorption. A handful of nuts or a piece of cheese works great. The fat helps your body absorb the magnesium better. Here's a pro tip nobody mentions. Take your magnesium with vitamin D if you're supplementing that too. They work synergistically. Magnesium helps activate vitamin D, and vitamin D helps with magnesium absorption. It's like they're dance partners. Some guys ask about topical magnesium, oils or lotions you rub on your skin. These can work, especially for muscle cramps. But for systemic benefits like sleep and hormone support, oral supplementation is more reliable. Though, if you want to double up, a magnesium bath with Epsom salts once or twice a week is incredibly relaxing and gives you a nice dose through your skin. Now, let me tell you about the ways guys shoot themselves in the foot with this. First, taking magnesium with calcium. Calcium competes with magnesium for absorption. If you take calcium supplements, space them at least 2 hours apart from magnesium. Another big mistake is drinking alcohol before bed thinking it helps you sleep, then taking magnesium on top. Alcohol destroys sleep quality and depletes magnesium. It's like filling your gas tank while there's a hole in it. If you're going to drink, do it earlier in the evening and still take your magnesium, but know you're fighting an uphill battle. Late night screen time is another killer. The blue light tells your brain it's daytime, fighting against what the magnesium is trying to do. At minimum, use blue light blockers or night mode on your devices. Better yet, read a book for the last hour before bed. Some guys take too much too fast, get loose stools, and give up. Start low, go slow. Your body needs time to adjust. If you get digestive issues, try a different form or split the dose. Half at dinner, half before bed. And here's a subtle one, ignoring other mineral balances. Magnesium works with other minerals like potassium and sodium. If you're on a very low sodium diet or not eating enough potassium-rich foods, you might not get the full benefits of magnesium. A balanced approach works best. What's fascinating is the cascade of benefits guys report once they get their magnesium levels optimized. Things they weren't even trying to fix start improving. Chronic headaches disappear, blood pressure drops a few points. That eye twitch that's been annoying them for months goes away. Even dental health improves. Magnesium helps calcium go into your bones and teeth instead of your arteries. Several of my patients have reported their wives commenting on their snoring improving or stopping entirely. Magnesium relaxes the throat muscles just enough to keep airways open without the violent snoring. One guy's wife actually made a special appointment to thank me because she was finally sleeping through the night for the first time in years. Athletic performance is another unexpected benefit. Magnesium helps with muscle contraction and relaxation, reduces lactic acid buildup, and improves oxygen delivery to muscles. Guys who golf tell me their game improves. Runners report better times and less cramping. Even guys who just do yard work notice they're less sore the next day. Mental clarity and mood improvements often surprise people too. Magnesium is crucial for neurotransmitter function. When your brain has enough, anxiety decreases, focus improves, and that general sense of irritability that many men develop with age starts to fade. You're not just sleeping better. Your brain is actually functioning better. Here's what it comes down to. Magnesium deficiency is epidemic in men over 50, and it's making every age-related challenge worse. Poor sleep, low energy, weak erections, high stress, they're all connected, and they're all made worse by low magnesium. Taking magnesium before bed isn't just about sleeping better, though that alone would be worth it. It's about giving your body what it needs to produce testosterone, improve circulation, generate energy, and repair itself. It's about breaking the cycle of poor sleep leading to low testosterone, leading to poor performance, leading to more stress, leading to worse sleep. For less than $1 a day, you can potentially transform how you feel, how you sleep, and how you perform, not through some exotic treatment or prescription medication, but by simply replacing a mineral your body is crying out for. So here's my challenge. Get yourself some quality magnesium glycinate. Take 400 mg tonight about an hour before bed. Do this for 30 days. Pay attention to how you feel. Most guys are amazed at the difference, not just in their sleep, but in their entire quality of life. If this resonated with you, hit subscribe for more practical health advice for men over 50. Drop a comment about your experience with sleep issues, or if you've tried magnesium before, and share this with a friend who's been complaining about being tired all the time. You might just change his life. Remember, your best years aren't behind you. Sometimes your body just needs the right support to remind you how good you can feel. Tonight, give it that support. Your tomorrow morning self will thank you.